So now I'm going to show you how to attach the latest version of balance pockets to an old model pack. And we've changed the top attachment of the balance pocket to the shoulder strap on the latest model of balance pockets and shoulder straps. Latest model of balance pockets have an oval slip lock at the top, and the latest model of shoulder straps have an O-ring, but here we have a old model and it doesn't have an O-ring on the shoulder straps to slip the slip lock on the balance pockets through. So we take a 25mm split ring and we insert this on the web, on the 25mm web. Go right round. There we've got one done. And there's our second one done. Next we need to check whether the buckle on the sternum strap matches the buckle at the top of the balance pockets. So I'll just clip those together to make it easier for you to see. You can see they're different styles of buckles. This is the latest style of buckle, and to make compatibility here you'll find there's a spare YKK buckle in the pocket, at the top of the balance pocket. And to make the compatibility between the pockets and the pack, we take the old style buckle off the sternum strap of the pack. Just undo it. See the females on this side, so we take the female new buckle and we slip it through. If you need to use a little pair of scissors to get it through more quickly, makes it easier. On one side. Now we've set up the old pack to be compatible with the new pockets. So to put the pockets on, same method of attachment to the hip belt. We have a frame extension which slips into the holster on the hip belt. Slip it into the holster and snap it closed. Now the oval button goes through the split ring on the shoulder straps, and that's all ready to go. Do the same on the other side, slipping the frame extension into the holster, slipping the oval button, the oval slip lock through the split ring. That one's ready to go. Putting the back on. Start with doing up the hip belt, get that nice and snug. Now we can take the sternum strap from one shoulder strap and clip it into the buckle on the opposite side balance pocket. Buckles are now compatible, and we're all set up with the latest version of the balance pockets. The latest buckles with an old style pack.